Hey there, I'm Richard Byrne, the host of Practical Ed Tech, and like everybody else, I'm having a Black Friday sale on practicaledtech.com. In my sale, you're going to get 6 of my most popular webinars of 2018 in one bundle that you can download as a zip file. You can watch the videos as many times as you want. You'll get handouts with every one of the webinar recordings, and it all comes to you for $47 instead of the regular $120. Usually I charge $20 per individual webinar, and this time I'm bundling them all together, and you're going to get them for $47. Now let's take a look at what's in here. You get 5 video projects for nearly every classroom, 10 search strategies students need to know. That's my most popular webinar of all time, by the way. Google Forms and Sheets for beginners, great for anyone who's new to G Suite for Education. Get organized with Google Classroom Calendar and Keep. Even if you're an experienced G Suite user, that one can help you out. If you've been wondering about AR and VR, augmented reality and virtual reality, and how it fits in your classroom, I have a webinar on that, and that's only available in this bundle. And I also have 5 ways to blend technology into outdoor lessons. That's, again, only available in this bundle. Now, if you want to read more about the webinars, you can do so right on this page, practicaledtech.com/Thanksgiving. And if you want to make a purchase, just click the Buy Now button. And when you do so, you'll be redirected to this page to make your purchase. And when you make your purchase, you can do it with PayPal or with any credit card or debit card that you like. As soon as you make that purchase, you'll get an email from me that has a link to download the materials. So I hope that this is something that's of value to you. And if it is, go ahead to practicaledtech.com/Thanksgiving. This sale is available only until next Tuesday. So you have 6 days to take advantage of it. If you have any questions, please send me an email, richard@byrne.media. Again, my email is richard@byrne.media.